great people. In today's video I want to teach you how you can trade over zero strategy. Okay, so this is a Deriv website, and when you create your account you will be logged into this interface. This is the new interface. Okay, so there are various trading types in here. Okay, so from far end we will see rise and fall, accumulators, multipliers, turbo, vanillas, higher and lower, touch and no touch, matches and differs, over and under, even and odd. But as for you, I want you to focus on over and under, because that is where now it is at least better and easy to understand as a beginner. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Before you trade over zero, you need to understand the risk behind it, the profit you can get, okay, and if it is beneficial for you. Okay, because there are some people who say that over zero is not profitable at all. Okay, but here is the thing. As for me, I've traded for some time now, and I know though there is low payout in over zero. Okay, hear this. Though there is very small payout in over zero, the risk is very small, and that is what we are looking for. We are looking at the risk, not the payout. Okay, as a beginner, don't focus on the payout. I'm telling you, don't focus on payout at all, because if you focus on payout, that is where you are going to blow your account. Okay, so over zero has almost a 90% win rate. Okay, and that's why I prefer, as a beginner, you can start here. Okay, you can start here. So this is how you trade over zero. There are some conditions that need to be met for you to trade successfully on over zero. What are those conditions? First, you need to put your barrier on digit 0. Then there is duration here. Okay, as you can see, the duration should be 1 tick, like that. And the stake, if you are using a $10 account, you can stake maybe $3, like that. Okay, so as for stake, you can stake the one that you want, as long as you don't put your whole account at risk. You need to stake 1 to 2% of your account. Okay, so another thing that you need to consider is, when trading over zero, to avoid market manipulation or to avoid making frequent losses. As for losses, they will appear but should not appear frequently. Okay, so to avoid those frequent losses, make sure that this red appearing digit, okay, like this, in our case now it is 1, then there is a green appearing digit in digit 3. Okay, should be 1. The red appearing digit should be 1. The red appearing digit should be 1. Okay, that is one thing. And another condition, the digit 0 itself, okay, should be below 10%. Okay, should be below 10%, and it should not be increasing in percentages. Okay, like in our case now, we can notice it is decreasing and increasing, decreasing and increasing. Okay, now this one is very dangerous market to trade over zero. You can end up getting a loss. Okay, so let's shift to another market and see. Let's shift to volatility 51s. Okay, now this is volatility 51s, and as you can see, digit 0 is below 10%, which is good. Another thing I have not mentioned, the red bar, the red appearing digit, should not be close to digit 0. I repeat again, the red appearing digit should not be close to digit 0. It should not be in digit 1, 2, or 3. Okay, it should be either in digit 4 to 9. Okay, yes, it should be either in digit 4 to 9. The green, the red appearing digit, okay, has no problem. Okay, wherever it is has no problem. And in our case here, the market is actually quite good, so we can try and take some trade and see. Okay, so our entry criteria is this: we wait for digit 0 to appear in this changing digits up here, because we are using the Deriv official website. Okay, we are not using the third-party platform. Okay, so let's wait for digit 0 to appear and we take a trade and see. Okay, so let's wait like that. There is a loss. Okay, there is a loss. Let's wait again and take another trade. So don't worry about the losses. The losses are part of trading. Don't be moved with the loss. Okay, do not be moved with the loss. As long as your wins will be more than the losses, it should not scare you at all, because you are going to face it anyway. Okay, so let's wait again and see. Let's wait, be patient, like that. That is a win, you see. Let's take another trade and see. Let's wait for digit 0 to appear. Wait, and now that is a win. Now when you trade over 0, this is what I noticed. Okay, out of like 15 runs, or let's say 13 runs, you are going to face at least one loss. Okay, but that should not scare you. Why? This is the reason. You see, most mentors, when they teach you these things, they are not going to show you these losses. Okay, they are not going to tell you how many losses you are going to get. Now that's now the problem. They are not going also to teach you how you can recover these losses and remain profitable. They are going just to teach you the strategy, you see, and that's why I come in. Okay, and that's why I don't mind, I don't tense, I don't trade emotionally because of a loss. Okay, why? Because I know how I can recover a loss. You know, I know how I can maintain my profit and still be profitable. And that's the big deal that most of these mentors are not telling you. Okay, and that's why I've developed a class, a mentorship class, it's free mentorship class, where I'll be teaching you step by step how you can recover a loss, okay, and maintain your profit. Okay, so don't be scared. Just click the first link in the description box below and you'll be directed to the mentorship program. It's free. Okay, you will learn how you can recover a loss, how you can maintain your profit, okay, how many trades you should take. All these things, they are in there and they are for free. Okay, so don't worry, keep it locked. Let's see you in there. Thank you guys.